Student, now I am going to discuss the conceptual question why DC is not transmitted to a long distance whereas AC can be. DC को हम लोग लंबी दूरी तक ट्रांसमिट नहीं कर सकते हैं, वायर यूज करके लंबी दूरी तक नहीं भेजा जा सकता है और AC को भेजा जाता है. ऐसा क्या रीज़न है? व्हाट इज़ द रीज़न बिहाइंड इट? नो डाउट देयर इज द रीजन ऑफ लॉसेस ऑफ एनर्जी इन द ट्रांसमिशन. So how the losses of energy in DC is very large and whereas in AC is very small, very less. So DC moves volumetrically. Volumetrically means if you are using the thick wire for communication of DC, what will happen? It will move in all the volume. DC will move in all the volume, and due to which there is a large collision between the electrons, free electrons, and large emission of heat, evolution of heat will be take place, and it will get destroyed in the path. So DC cannot be transmitted to a long distance, and because it moves volumetrically, therefore we always use the thick wire, only one wire, thick wire, as you might have seen in the transmission line on the poles nearby you. There are several wires, thin wires are wounded over each other just like a rope, and then it is communicated. If you do that, if you use that wire, then it will become very slow, losses will be more, and therefore DC will not be used either by the thick wire or by the roped wire. But AC produces a skin effect. A skin effect means it moves on the surface of the wire. So it does not enter into the wire, it moves on the surface, due to which losses in the transmission will be negligible. That is why AC is transmitted to a long distance, DC is not transmitted to a long distance. Thank you.